Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys my process as I'm drawing in Photoshop using my Wacom tablet with my iMac and my keyboard. And since I show you guys my quick and simple setup, let's go ahead and get into the video. And by the way, my name is Daisy. Welcome to my channel. Let's get started. This is one of the pictures I have in my files as in a reference, like we do looking at it and drawing it. But I use this one a base reference, so like drawing over the picture. That is one of the easiest ways that you can learn how to draw, is drawing over the pictures. And as you can see how I clean up that picture. And since I'm using this picture as a base picture, I need this picture to be in good condition. And for me to have it in good condition, I have to fix the problems that needs to be fixed. If you want to know how I clean up this picture and how I got it to looking like this, then leave it in the comments down below and I will make a separate video. I will go into more details showing you guys how I created that smooth look. And as you can see that I speed up the video only because I didn't want to make this video too long. And I also want to tell you guys one of the tools I like to use. It's one of my favorite tools, and it's the Smudge tool. It gives me that effect that I need when I'm creating my pictures. For those that don't know, I'm a self-portrait artist, so I focus more on the face upper area. I like to be able to get the effect that I'm looking for, and the smudge brush will give me that effect that I'm looking for. Okay, now you will see me draw on some teeth. I don't know if I like these teeth or not, so you'll see them pop up here and there because I'm not sure if I like it. I feel like that's the only way that you can know that you like something or not. Just try it, test it out, because it's what you're creating. So the only way that you're going to know if something looks good or not, to just try and see if it works or not for you. If you like it, you don't like it. And let me know in the comments down below, do you like it or you don't like it? When drawing the hair, I like to think of my hair, how my natural hair falls and my curls falls. Most of my girls that I draw have that natural hair because I'm natural. I wanted my pictures to have the natural hair look as well. So I do a lot of natural hairstyles. Okay, I'm not done with this picture yet, but since I had this video already prepared and ready to put out, I decided to go ahead and make this a part 1, and I'm going to make a part 2. There's a couple things I got to add to the picture, as in the shadow of by the hands, shining her eyes, eyelashes. So this is going to be part 1, and there will be a part 2. And guys, if you're learning how to do digital art, remember, whatever you decide to use, you're studying that picture. You're seeing how the eyes are shaped, how the nose is shaped. You're learning from that picture. So why not use a base picture and put a layer on top of that base picture and draw over it? It's easy. That's one of the ways I learned how to draw. I use a base picture. I'm self-taught. I didn't go to school to learn how to draw. I taught myself how to draw. And you can too. About the ones that are out there trying to go to art school or going to art school, keep going. You got this. Okay guys, if you like videos like this, don't forget to like it. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. And guys, I pray that you have an amazing day. Stay blessed. Bye.